The red one.
Oh, it's a toy! Ganun mo, Nick, nasan na? Where is it? So, happy Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Let me see. Oh, you got a toy!
Wow!
Transformer!
Ang ganda-ganda.
Yeah. Put everything in a big bag. It's yours. Okay, open.
Oh!
Carol.
Si Auntie Carol?
Check it out.
Auntie Carol.
Whoa, wow.
Ooh! Let me see, Jay. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Wow, it's nice. I like.
Dude. Oh, your earrings falling off.
But may ano hinahanap na?
When he wore that checkered shirt.
Hindi, yan yung
Kay Ate Joy siya, part of the gift. Naghanap kayo na may malalagay.
That's not a little bit.
Kay Arlene yan. Kay Arlene.
Ah, akin yan daw. Let me open it, Jay. Open it. Go, open it.
O-open mo raw.
Okay, you open it for me, please. May foot locker ako.
Ano yan, medyas?
Maraming medyas.
Bilisan mo, ang tagal. You're very, 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 very.
Ayun yung kay Kuya Dick eh. Ba't wala daw siya nabukla to? Inabot namin. Oh, I like! Jay! May pajama, mami, no? Para hindi na ako nakahubad.
Oh, di ba?
Thank you po! Thank you!
Maganda to pag nagpunta tayo Germany.